Hey guys, if you're getting the message, this experience is not accessible because it's unrated in Roblox, do not worry, it's usually a settings or age restriction issue. So firstly, open Roblox and go to your settings. Let us go there, settings, and after that go to privacy and content maturity. And in here, as you can see, you can choose a content maturity level for your account, so just choose minimal. And also in the who can join me and who can play games, I'll set everyone in this same privacy section. So go visibility in private service, and set it to everyone. Also, if your account is under 13, Roblox may block unrated games automatically. You can check your date of birth under the account info and tap on verify my age. So as you can see, you're going to have to provide your valid government issued ID. Make sure you're in the well-lit room and yeah, just provide your passport. And that's it guys, adjust your privacy settings, check your age, and you should be able to access those unrated Roblox experiences. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time.